What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 on how I turned this distressed furniture set into this beautifully refinished blue and gold bedroom set. So today we wrapped up all the drawers. That way whenever we prime it and paint it, it doesn't splatter on the drawers, give it a sloppy, unprofessional look. So this part's tedious, but I learned my lesson. It is super important to make sure that you make sure all the drawers are sealed. And then we poured our primer into our paint gun, and then I get these little funnels from Home Depot and make sure that there's no clumps or any pieces in the primer so it sprays on smooth. This is the Behr Vintage Gold Gloss that I use for all the hardware. I absolutely love this stuff. It has such a nice smooth finish to it. Always looks super nice whenever it's done. Doesn't have any of that sticky residue, and it doesn't leave any sort of marks whatsoever. And then after that, we go ahead and we prime the dresser first. This one is the most time consuming, but it is very satisfying to get it done and when you see the finished product. But the primer just helps make sure that the paint bonds really well. And then we go ahead and do the same exact thing with the nightstand. This one's a lot easier since you can move it around however which way you need to. And then whenever this is done, you let that dry, and then we have the drawers. Same exact thing for the drawers. I tape the hardware hole shut. That way no paint gets inside. Thanks for watching part 2. If you want to see the final part, drop a like and follow.